Well, it's been over 4 years since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, and we're learning what New Yorkers did right and wrong, the political leaders did when it came to responding to the crisis.
Well, an independent report requested by Governor Hochul was released today. Fox 5's McKay joins us now with more of the breakdown. Morgan.
Steve and Natasha, Governor Kathy Hochul hired an outside consultant firm to review how the COVID-19 pandemic affected schools, businesses, and healthcare networks. While it was harsh at times in its criticism of former Governor Andrew Cuomo's handling of the pandemic, it also explained that one of the biggest issues was the state's lack of planning for the pandemic of this magnitude. An outside consultant firm, the Olson Group, hired by Governor Kathy Hochul to examine the state's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, released a 262-page report on Friday. The report cost $4.3 million of taxpayer money and took around 18 months. But the report found systemic failures on multiple fronts. But possibly the largest one was this. It read, quote, "The greatest shortfall in the state's preparedness, however, was its failure to consider a threat scenario that exceeded its response capabilities." Health policy expert Bill Hammond says this is a good warning to the state.
Its imagination had not been large enough to consider the possibility that something could get so bad so fast.
When it comes to nursing homes, it actually took a somewhat more mild approach, not directly blaming the former governor for requiring nursing homes to admit COVID-positive patients, rather focusing more on supply chain issues and pre-pandemic funding shortfalls.
Why we have a health department in New York State to manage things like pandemics and infectious disease. And that part of the health department has been defunded in recent history.
But the report did take aim at former Governor Andrew Cuomo's press conferences, saying that instead of relying on agencies like the health department, directives took a top-down approach, with Cuomo controlling the information being disseminated, calling it a, quote, "significant and unnecessary mistake." A spokesman for the former governor sent a statement saying in part, quote, "His daily press briefings were internationally recognized. No rational person can believe that a coordinated, centralized response is inferior to having decisions made by a gaggle of faceless bureaucrats." But if this report was worth it remains to be seen, especially since the consultant firm lacked subpoena power, something that many lawmakers pushed back on at the time the firm was commissioned.
Some of the officials they wanted to talk to wouldn't talk to them. That's not acceptable in this situation.
So what's next? Well, Governor Hochul said today she's still reviewing the report, but some of the proposals they've already enacted. But again, still reviewing this 262-page report. Steve and Natasha?
Very well, all right. Thanks, Morgan.